Deleting your Equifax account may not be necessary, as Equifax provides credit monitoring and identity theft protection services that are often valuable. However, if you wish to deactivate your Equifax account, you can typically do so by following these steps. Contact Equifax customer service. Call Equifax's customer service number, which can be found on their website. Explain that you would like to deactivate or close your account. Provide account information. Be prepared to provide your account details, such as your full name, address, social security number, and any other relevant information to verify your identity. Request deactivation. Clearly state that you want to deactivate or close your Equifax account. The representative may ask for a reason, but this is typically optional. Follow any instructions. The Equifax representative will guide you through the deactivation process. They may ask you to confirm your request via email or provide additional information. Confirm deactivation. Ensure that you receive confirmation that your Equifax account has been deactivated. This may be provided verbally during the call or via email. Monitor your account. Check your Equifax account or credit report in the following weeks to ensure that it has been successfully deactivated and that there are no unauthorized activities.